Good morning, good afternoon, good night. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog, to the story, to the chapter, another video on my channel. So today's video, we got a lot of things to do. I just woke up, as you could tell. Right now, I gotta do an oil change on the vehicle. With the HNs, the oil change isn't exactly the easiest thing. The oil filter, they put it in like the worst possible spot, but doable. I do need to pick up an oil filter wrench because I don't know what I did with my last one. I can't seem to find it, but we're gonna have to get that. I do have my oil, I do have the filter and the crush washer, so we're pretty much almost there. Also, if you guys missed out on the previous video, I installed a Bluetooth module on my car by GTA Car Kits. If you guys want to check that out, I will link that also in the description. If you guys have an HN and you're tired of the aux cable, it's definitely a really good alternative, so highly recommend that. But first things first, I gotta attend to my son, and then after that, we can go ahead and get everything done. And actually, tonight there is a pop-up meet that one of my buddies is hosting. It's kind of like an anime type car thing, which I'm, kind of into both. So we're gonna definitely check that out. And yeah, so dad duties first.
I'm carried by spirit, I float on the street. Frequency too high, tune in and drop out. Speak light years away from running my mouth. I let my mind wander, my soul follow suit. Look in the water, reflect on my truth, and I sip. Reminisce on my youth, drowned in the fountain of free. This is new, surprised I can finally breathe. Close my eyes, I can finally see. My flesh will decay, I'll ascend through a portal. My vocal vibrations immortal. But I'll have a heck of a burial. Live on as an extraterrestrial. We came to this world in peace, that's why we learn how to make use of our feet. Gotta crawl before you walk before you run, think before you talk, and fly when you find you are one. Now I'm free, falling, free, falling, free, falling, free, falling, free, falling, free, falling.
See if there's any Hondas in here. No. Dang, all cleared out. All right, so we found him a little toy. I promised him I would get him one, so. Damn, so they only got these ones. How they get this one? Yeah, should be all right. So 3/8 should do good. All right, we are back at home base now. Car is still a little hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down, get the vehicle ready and prepped, and we're gonna get this oil change in. Okay, so I'm letting the oil drain. It's really black. I think I did the oil change last time in September before I went to San Diego. Definitely needs to be done. Also, I am running GA's Racing magnetic drain bolt. If any of you guys are interested, definitely highly recommend the magnetic drain bolt. This basically just allows to catch any metal shavings if there are any. And it looks like there's not really much, so. Man, it got a little chilly while I was away, but basically got the filter out. As you can see, arms and hands look like this, so the car can look real good. Plastic bag method prevailed again. I just wrapped the filter around I wrapped the bag around the filter and just twisted it off, and it basically just came out all together. And then when you're putting in a new filter. Just oil the top of this gasket here a little bit, and then go ahead and fill your oil filter as well with some oil. Just helps for the oil pressure. All right, people, so pretty much just filled it up. I don't know if you could tell, but we are on the second dot. It's probably not gonna focus, but yeah, we are there. So I'm gonna go ahead, close everything up, probably start it up, check for leaks, and just make sure everything is good. I do, however, want to take off the rear wheels because I did buy wire brushes and I want to get rid of this rust. So we're gonna do that right after I finish up with the oil. Just like that, rust is gone. Now I know there's some on the lip. I'm probably gonna just hit it around there real quick. But aside from the overall look, there's no more rust and I'm super happy. I really wanted to get center caps. The center caps are like 50 bucks each. I don't know, I can't really justify paying 50 bucks per wheel, but who knows, maybe I will. I'm not really sure. It makes such a difference. It just kills the whole vibe, rust. I don't know what it is, but like, I don't know. I don't like rust. So I'm gonna put the wheel back on and I'm actually probably gonna clean it while I have it off.
Much later.
What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Was it raining when you came here? Was it raining when you came here?
Oh, surprisingly, no.
That's good, man.
Nothing much. How about you?
Good, man. How's the car running, bro?
Oh, dude, it's lovely.
It's good? Yeah, so this is Eli's car. It's what year?
2014.
2014, man. So FB6, man. And you just got full bolt-ons, or what you got right now?
Bolt-ons, RBC, Taylor.
RBC. Nice.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Pretty basic.
Not bad, man. It's clean, bro.
Yes, sir.
Let's do a quick walk around real quick. I know you guys can't really see it, it's black, but you got the gurney flap on there. Sounds good. Alright guys, so we here at the spot. It's pretty popping right now. There's a lot of cars and vendors, so I'm just gonna take you guys around and just check out what's going on. Clean, huh? That's pretty sick, man. Got the carbon fenders. Got the NSNs. Damn. Now check out this Supra over here. Yeah, this thing's clean. Huh? This thing's clean too. to this right here.
Dig the SSRs.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
dude.
buddy.
Just dope. I'm gonna get through all of that. Is that an XL? Got some Natasha on there.
I don't know what to do about it.
They got some more SDKs over here. Man, SDKs came out. Again, sorry for the lighting, guys. I know you can't see, but that's Marsha's car.
I was gonna say that.
That's FD right here. Clean. I seen him at Elite Tuner. Yeah, super clean, bro.
Brandon Syria.
Yeah. Huh?
Is that factory?
I think so. I don't know. I'm pretty sure.
Makes me cold. Just having a white car. My car sucks.
I know. So I made it home safely. It started raining like crazy out of nowhere, so I had to get out of there. But we made it home safe. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really, really helps me out. Also, if you guys want to share the video and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more content on my HN. I just watched it. How come every time I watch the car, it rains? Stay tuned. I got a lot more good videos coming. We're going to hit 4K really, really soon. So please help me out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.